how to install a 125 amp energy meter kit on an 8-way and onward board. Start by securely clipping the energy meter onto the rail for correct placements. Attach the current transformer mounting bracket onto the DIN rail. A screwdriver can be used to move the tabs to attach it into position. On the 125 amp current transformer, ensure the arrow faces upwards or P1 faces down towards the incoming power supply for correct fixing. Clip the current transformer onto the mounting bracket. Attach the fuses to the DIN rail beside the energy meter. Please note that the fuses are not supplied with the kit and will need to be obtained separately. The pre-fitted plug on the energy meter power lead will need to be connected to voltage in located on the left underside of the energy meter. The ferruled conductors on the other end of the power lead will need to be connected into the L1, L2, L3 and neutral push-fit terminals on the fuses. Attach the energy supply cables into the top push-fit terminals on the fuses. The other end of the cables will need to be connected to the power. In this instance, we are using the SPD. Bring the L1, L2 and L3 main supply conductors through the current transformer and terminate them on the underside of the main isolator switch and tighten with a torque screwdriver. Attach the RJ45 cable into current input 1 located on the top of the energy meter and attach the opposite end into the current transformer. To get into the settings to set up the meter, press and hold the lower two buttons together for 3 seconds. The default factory password is 1000. To set this, press the top button to activate the first 0 digit and press the middle button to change it to 1. Press the lower button to scroll through the settings menu and arrive at the CT primary L1 screen. Press the top button to toggle between changing each digit. Here we want the current transformer ratio to be 125, which can be inputted into the energy meter display by switching between the top and middle buttons. Press the lower button to confirm the ratio. Press and hold the lower two buttons together for 3 seconds to return to the main screen and complete the setup.